Okay, this is Mida Golf Club, Kanchanaburi, Mida, and this is the state they keep the place in. This is why the members don't come here anymore. This is why we all think it's shit, and I really mean shit. The state they keep this place in. I just spoke to the manager now. Well, not the manager, it's a load of guys from Myanmar who are managing this. Well, as you can see, the water here has not been cleaned, not looked after, nothing. All the tiles are broken around the outside. He just told me, actually, and this is one of the owners, it's like a management company, but they've now put money into it. And just showing you the state of this place. Here we go. Now, see the clothes just hanging over there? Someone's obviously crashing in this part of it. But this is the state of it. And you wouldn't expect anything more, would you, from the ties? From the ties, but you'll expect a lot less from the Burmese, because this is shit. And look at this. Look at this, look. See? Look at the state of that. Look, he's even got his toothbrush down there, so someone's actually living here and doing this. I'll just take you in here a minute. This is the state of the floors where it's been flooding. People have put shit in there, crap in there. Toilets look like they've been shat in. And these are stinking. Showers not used properly. And look at the toilet here broken. Stinks in there, stinks. So do not invest in Mida, because no one's going to help you out, mate, if anything goes wrong. I'm going to go in the ladies now. Just look at this, look. Fucking bird's nest soup. Really shit in here. The shittiest fucking place I've ever been in. Look. No wonder no cunt wants to come here. Excuse my French, but nobody wants to come here. Look at it. And this has nothing to do with COVID. This is just lazy, idle bastards. Lazy, idle bastards. So this is going to go big style. I'm going to put it on Facebook or anywhere, really. Just tell people not to go to Mida. It's crap. And the fact is, Koreans are paying a fortune for 2 weeks here just playing golf, and they're living in these houses over here, in these sort of apartments, which they're part of it, and they don't give a shit. And the water and electric here is nothing. Fucking pigs. There you go.